Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, July 30th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, getting started here in this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 16 points to 3,005 3/4 per contract. You're going to see that the futures started to roll over really right around the 10:30 time frame last night, and they have really just continued to decline. Right now, they are down 16 points on the session. So we'll see how this plays out today. We do have the start of the Federal Reserve two-day meeting. So that will conclude tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. They'll make the interest rate policy statement. Remember, the Federal Reserve is expected to cut rates by at least 25 basis points tomorrow. So we're going to see how this all plays out. We'll see where we go. But in the meantime, we have a big day of earnings in front of us. So let's get started with Procter & Gamble. PG is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at 121.33, closed at 116. Great move for Procter. However, if you own this stock, I would be trailing the stop loss immediately. Let me show you why. All you have to do is take a look at a monthly chart. Stock is way overbought, way extended. Now it's trading over $21. Again, try to protect it. Just put a trailing stop in there. No problems there, but great move this morning. I'm not sure that move is going to hold up throughout the day, so be a little bit careful here. You could be looking at a potential fade in a little while, so we'll see how that plays out. But right now, a good pop for Procter, but if you own it, trail that stop loss. Let's take a look here at Merck. Merck reporting earnings as well. Stock is trading at $84.60. It closed yesterday at $82.49. So good little pop there for Merck. When I look at the stock, it looks kind of fully valued to me. So again, if you own this one, trail the stop loss immediately. Here's a stock that is underwater today. It's called Under Armour. And this stock right now is trading at $24.04, closed at $27.44. We are using the ticker symbol UAA. And when I look at this one, I think I could have some gap levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room this morning. So we'll be watching this. We'll see how it plays out. You're definitely trying to hold a little bit of support down here around this 2378 level. If you take a look at a daily chart, you'll see that that is the 50-day moving average, the 100-day moving average. So that is definitely a little bit of a level. But I'm going to have some other levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room this morning. And again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. Lots of plays today. Next up, we have NXPI. This is semiconductor play. Stock right now really got hammered after the earnings announcement, but it is right back up toward the flat line. Stock right now trading at 103.75. It closed at 104.26. So basically flat. And big rebound from where it was. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll see that if that does affect other semis today. Next up, I want to take a look at Cummins Engine. CMI is the ticker symbol there. This stock is getting hammered today. Closed at 174.06. Now trading at 162.49. So again, I'll work on some levels for this one. I'm really leaning lower. So again, we'll see how it plays out, but I'll try to get something for Cummins. I have a few done already in some other areas. Let's take a look at GLW, which is Corning. Stock is trading at $32.99, closed at $34.10. So this is a pretty good little move to the downside for Corning. When I look at this name, I believe I have gap levels already done for it. So we'll look to play that right after the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room today. Next up, we want to take a look at ConocoPhillips. COP is the ticker symbol there. Stock is getting hit a little bit. It closed at $58.19. It is now trading at $57 a share. This stock has been weak on the charts, and I think it's going to remain that way. When I look at this name right now, and it's probably one of the leading integrated energy stocks, it has showed me no strength. I would wait for it, probably a move down to the $55 area before even looking at any kind of support. So again, we'll try to update you further in the intraday stock chat room on this one. Next up, I want to take a look at Beyond Meat. BYND is the ticker symbol here. Looks like they came out with earnings and missed. That was kind of expected, but the real sell-off that's occurring in Beyond Meat, and this is a big one, is due to a secondary offering. So again, a company trying to raise more capital, and that is definitely an issue. You can see that big surge to the downside there, and really it has not had much of a bounce yet. I really don't have a good level to give you on this thing. If I were to pick one, I'd probably say, $130, $125, somewhere down there. I'm not sure we're going to see that today, but ultimately in the bigger scheme, we could see that. So again, we'll see how this one plays out. But Beyond Meat is absolutely getting crushed this morning on the back of earnings and an announcement of a secondary offering. All right, let's take a look here at Capital One. It looks like they're in the news too for a data breach. Stock right now is trading at 91.90. This closed at 96.92. There is definitely a little gap here on the daily chart. If you take a look, you'll see right around this $88.80 level. So you got a good little level there. We'll see if that can hold up. Again, we'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room. We'll see what the pattern looks like if it gets into that level, and we'll see where we go. Other than that, I will have other major support levels for Capital One today. All right, let's shift gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures getting a nice little pop today. They're up $6.60 right now. Gold futures trading at $1,439.80 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at 134.65. Closed at 134.52 yesterday. So GLD is a good ETF to track the movement in gold, and we'll see how that plays out today. But gold on the move on spot right now. Let's take a look here at the crude oil market, which is up 34 cents right now to $57.21 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude, that's trading at $11.86, up from $11.82. So there you have it. And once again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We're having a Dynamite 2019. We're going to look to keep that going today and beyond. So again, if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial and trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we'll see you a little bit later on the charts.